back. It's your boy, K-Town. You know the rest. And I'm with the one and only. The one and only. The Legacy Breaker. I almost cursed. But you know, we ain't here for all this. Just can't, you know what I'm saying, swing by just to holler at y'all for a little quick second, you know. This ain't a wrestling video. It's something different. We just left from a place called Doretha.
Where they located at, bro?
Macomb, Mississippi. Serve all type of food. Fried fish, shrimp, pork chop, soul food. But you know what we came for?
What that is?
We came for the beef. No Diddy. We came for the burgers.
Huh?
And I'm about to show you the burger I came for. Double meat madness. Man, look at this, man.
Bruh.
Look at this, man.
Bruh.
Look.
You can't, bruh. Down south is highly underrated.
This how they doing it at Doretha, man.
This how they doing it. Man, we really need to show the parking lot of how empty it is.
Yeah.
But this is what's being provided. This is what's being served at good prices. Meanwhile, McDonald's and bro, you're not getting that at McDonald's. You're not getting that at Burger King. You're not getting that type of service anywhere. They friendly.
Came with the glass bottle. Barks. Come on, man.
Huh. So.
Hey, man. Taste test. Burger going down. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah.
No Diddy. Hold on. Perfectly seasoned. You see this? Come on, man. Stop playing.
Not getting that.
Stop playing.
No fast food place. Not getting it.
Stop playing, man.
Made out of love. Made out of love. Man, you go to the store and buy a pack of ground beef, and you still would not end up with a burger like this, though.
That's all we want. That's all we want. I can't even close it back, man.
Look at
I can't even close it. How'd they get it in here?
the man that bit into the burger and put it back up.
Can't even close it back.
Can't even close it back.
Like, come on, man. What is this, Pandora's box? Look at this, man. Burger trying to hop out.
So,
Come on, man.
come on, man.
Hey, man. We gone. We're gonna catch y'all next time. We out, man.